What it do's, Rocky with Arizona's 24/7 performance. Today I wanted to get into the EM1 and get everyone up to speed on the goals and the specs. So what we have is a sleeve B18C1 with 10-to-1 pistons, CP pistons, Golden Eagle rods, got the Type R head, CTR camshafts, coil on plug, Honda K20 coils. We got a Speed Factory cap for the distributor, nice and pretty. You know how to go to downstar cap. That's actually a Type R solenoid. It's a little bigger than the standard solenoids. Not sure what's the difference. Got the Golden Eagle cam gears and the 1320 timing belt guide, and a 6266 turbo precision powder coated wrinkle red like the valve cover. I had Curly Floors make this AC friendly ram horde 44mm wastegate manifold right here. I want to say it's almost identical to the AC friendly full race manifold. The AC is actually ice cold. I had Curly custom cut and weld these lines and it came out awesome. Shit's ice cold. As well as all my my turbocharged pipes. As you guys know, I just installed the Speed Factory intercooler, and right now I think I'm on 14 pounds, and I just installed the 450 high flow fuel pump, Walbro. Check out the cockpit, nice and sexy. So what inspired me to build this car was this was my best friend's car, and he had passed away, and the car was upside down. I mean, front end, engine bay. I think I'll show a little picture here. And I restored this whole car. Most of the work was done by me. The motor, I put it together besides the block. I did have Golden Eagle do that. Got a BWR catch can. Sits pretty clean. It's pretty clean. So everything that I did on this car inspired me to go ahead and start this build on the hatch. So I have one last obstacle to go before I get the car over to Joe at Low Cash to get tuned and up my boost. And it's gonna be this right CV axle. It's actually a DSS 5.9 axle in the boot, torn and ripped after 100 miles. And I got all the parts here. I'm going to replace it this weekend. It'll be the last video before I drop it off to Joe at Low Cash. I actually just restored this rear lip and painted it myself. Can't really tell in the dark here, but it's pretty clean. This is my Gixxer 600. I do ride. A little dusty, I gotta get it clean. There's no excuse not to get out on the road, right? So, I also gonna get this alternator installed right now. We got the 1 minute challenge. Bam! 1 minute install. Your boy's quick. No, I didn't think you guys wanted to watch me do a alternator install today. And if so, you know, comment and choose. I'll take it off and put it back on again. But the issue I was actually having and why I'm changing out the alternator is when I come to a stop and I'm gonna turn the car off and my fan is running, my car won't turn on again. So the problem I'm running is I got a small fan and it's pulling high amperage. And when my radio is on, I do have a 12-inch L7 solo barracks in the back. And when I come to a stop, turn the car off without letting it idle for a little while, making sure the fan's not running, the car will not start and I have to push this bad boy. And everybody's looking at me like, look at this homeboy, and a goddamn beautiful young one pushing it outside. So I swapped it out with the alternator I got off of eBay that's pushing 130 amps. So we're gonna see how this one plays out and see if it's enough amperage. I try to go with the lowest because it's not that bad. I have HON data and I can see on the voltage on the battery is only 12.4. It really should be starting, but it's not. And every time I hit it with the jumper cables, it starts. So let's see how this one rolls. And that's gonna conclude our video today. If you guys can like, subscribe, shoot any comments and I'll reply back, guys. Alright, Arizona 24/7 Performance, we out.